video is entitled How to Create and Modify Scan2Net Templates for Consistent and Efficient Scanning. First, what we want to do is define what a template is. A template is a gauge or pattern or mold or something that establishes and serves as a pattern. It is used to easily set up for scanning technicians so that they get a scan the same way all the time for a certain document, and it's easy to set up. So let's go ahead and open up our web browser, and let's type in the IP address for the scanner. And here's the main screen for Scan2Net. Let's look at the scanning application. Let's go with the default user. And here are the templates that are currently in place. Notice there are only 2 of them. We can choose one or the other, or we can use the system default. Okay, let's go back into the scanning main menu and go into Setup Device and log in as power user. Okay, and in order to modify these templates that we just saw, we need to go to Scan Setting Templates. And you can see that there's quite a few of them. In the other screen you noticed we only saw 2. If you look closely, you can see that the Art 3D 300 DPI is set to public, where most other ones are set to disabled. And the binary 300 DPI is also set to public. All right, so as you can see, only 2 appeared in that list. We can turn off and on these scan templates by disabling or enabling them. So what if we wanted to duplicate or create a new one? Well, the easiest way is to take a template that's already created. Most of the values are already set for you, and just duplicate it. So all you do is you press the duplicate button, and you can see that the name has been changed to copy of the name of the template we just created. Usually that name is not sufficient, so what we can do is we can change the name to anything we want. Let's change it to custom. All right, so we go down to the custom template. Now what we can enable that so it displays on our screen. And let's see if that works for us. 10. On scan application, we look at the templates, and there's our custom. It's already there. Let's go back to our setup. So the custom template has some values that we want to change. So let's edit those by pushing this button. All right, we can change everything that you can change in these pull downs, and you do these one at a time, we can do on this screen here. They're all in one place. So if we want to change scanning mode from fast to high quality, we can push that. This is on a book scanner, so we can change it from the flat mode to a book mode or V mode or anything we want here, but let's just leave that alone. And we can change all these different parameters. You can see there's quite a few of them. Let's just change the DPI from 300. We could do it this way, or we can do it by sliding this bar over. Okay. To me, it's easier to just type it in. Okay. Preview quality, format. We could do auto, but I like crop and deskew the best. Splitting images off, So if it's off, then these items don't apply. And you can see compression, rotation, mirroring, file format, PDF. We can change that to go with, make a JPEG out of it. On and on and on and on and on. You can see it's all the parameters that were in the other screen. And then when we're done, we hit continue. That's as hard as it gets. All right, and we made it public, so it shows up in our picture. Now, notice there's icons. Those can be changed. Press that button, and we can choose a file. And let's go back to we can pick anything, really. Let's see what we got. Just for purposes, we change that icon to a graphic. And then we're done. And notice it automatically saves it. We don't have to hit the save button. Now let's jump back to the Scan2Net software and go with templates. We'll choose custom. Notice the picture showed up. And now if we say scan the document that's loaded, it'll pick up what we, the parameters that we saved. And notice we scanned it high quality, so it takes just a little bit longer. All right, that's all for now.